If you are using both the RGBAK Grass and the RGBAK Paint Layers features in your landscape material, you probably noticed that the grass meshes are rendered on top of the paint layer. This video assumes that you have watched the previous videos in this series, RGBAK Master Materials, RGBAK Grass, and RGBAK Paint Layers. Links will be at the end of this video and in the video description below. What we effectively want to do is provide a 1 minus paint weight map texture multiplied by the grass layer weight map. Add a landscape layer sample, which is a sampler for the landscape paint weight map. For the landscape layer sample, set the parameter name to the name of the paint layer, which in our case is the layer called paint. Add a subtract node and a multiply node. Connect the landscape layer sample output to the subtract node's B input so that we have 1 minus the sampler. Connect the subtract node's output to the multiply node's A input. Connect the multiply node in between the clamp and landscape grass output nodes. Click on Apply and save and close the material editor. Now you can see that as I paint the paint layer on the landscape, it removes the grass meshes from the grass layer. As I erase the paint layer on the landscape, the grass meshes reappear, since they are spawned by default on the RGBAK grass layer.